Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to install MySQL Workbench and set up everything required to start learning SQL. If you are completely new to databases, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step, and by the end of this video, you will have MySQL Workbench installed and ready to use. Open any browser and search for MySQL download. Click on Download MySQL Installer and you will be redirected to this screen where you should select the MSI installer with the largest size and click on Download. In the next screen, select No Thanks, just start my download, and you should be able to download this without signing up. And once the download is completed, you should be able to see this MySQL installer in the download section. Just open that and this screen pops up, and here you have to select Custom and click on Next. In the next screen, you have to select MySQL Server, MySQL Workbench, and also the MySQL Shell, and add everything to the Products to be installed section and click on Next. In the next screen, you should be able to see all the products which you have selected and click on Execute. Once the installation is completed, click on Next in this screen and click on Next in the product configuration screen. And in the next screen, you should be able to see the default port, that is 3306, and click on Next. In the next screen, you should select Use Strong Password Encryption option and click on Next. So here you should set up a password, and please remember this, you will be needing this while you log into the MySQL Workbench, and click on Next. Then click on Next in the next screen and click on Next. Next in the Apply Configuration screen, just click on Execute and wait till everything gets configured, and then click on Finish. And in the Installation Complete screen, just click on Finish. And now MySQL Workbench will be opened automatically, and just scroll to the bottom of that and click on this MySQL Connections. And here you have to enter the password which you have provided during the installation, and then the local instance screen will be opened, and this is where we will write all our queries. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. We have successfully installed MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench, and our environment is now ready for learning SQL. In the next video, we will start with the fundamentals of databases and write our first SQL queries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you would like me to share the installation documentation, leave a comment below and I'll share it with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.